Hello traders, welcome to my intraday forex analysis. So we're looking at the British pounds USD as our first pair. British pounds USD on the daily charts, price rejected from this resistance level, which also a weekly resistance level. So long price rejected from this weekly resistance level, we expect price to move to this next support level. So what we expect for the British pounds USD this week, we expect the pounds USD to move to this next support level, then retest before we look out for selling opportunity to the downside. So we are still expecting this to come after price has closed below this daily support level. So let's look at the 4-hour chart of the British pounds USD. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that we still have a uptrend there. We previously have a uptrend structure, then we now have a sideways trend. So long we have this sideways trend of the British pound, we expect price to break below this level. We expect price to break below this level before we start to look at our selling opportunities to the downside for the British pounds USD. So we expect price to move to this strong support level before we see any further move on the British pounds USD. But we expect price to break first. If there's no break of price below this level, we stay out of the British pounds USD, except to see a break of price below this level before we make any further decision on the British pounds USD. So let's look at the next pair, which is the Euro USD. Euro USD on the daily chart is currently on a resistance level and also a daily resistance level. So long we have price on this level, we expect price to continue to push lower. But before we can make any decision on the Euro USD, let's look at the 4-hour chart of the Euro USD. So on the 4-hour chart, we have this uptrend structure. So we need the price to turn to downtrend for look out of any possible selling opportunity for the Euro USD. So we need price to break down this level before any possible decision on the Euro USD. We need price to take out this level and retest. Then we'll start to sell the Euro USD to this next support level for this coming week. So wait for price to go below this level, then we can start to look at a selling opportunity on the Euro USD, because we see expect Euro USD to drop this week because the weekly chart is currently on a resistance level. So long price is currently on weekly resistance, we expect price to drop. So let's go to our next pair, which is the gold USD. So gold on the 4-hour chart is currently on a sideways trend. We have this sideways trend on the gold USD. So long we have this sideways trend of gold USD, and on the daily chart we have a downtrend structure, which we have a higher high, we have a lower high, also a lower high. So what we expect on the gold, we expect price to go below this level, then we expect retest, then we'll look at a selling opportunity for the gold USD. So a break of this level, we start looking for our selling opportunity for gold USD. So let's look at the 4-hour chart of the gold USD. So on the 4-hour chart, so we need price to break out of this low. So we break up this low, we start to look at our selling opportunity. So we expect price to break out of this low because currently we see have a sideways trend on the 4-hour chart. So we have to see price below this level, then we expect retest of that level, then we see further push to this next support level for the gold USD. So let's look at USDJPY, which is our next pair. So USDJPY on the daily chart have a uptrend momentum already. We have this uptrend structure, which is an inner structure. We have a lower low, higher low, higher low, and price came back to this support level, which is a key support level, and price failed to close above it, and we have price rejecting back to this area already. So long we expect price to, so long we see have uptrend structure on this USDJPY, we expect price to move to this next resistance level. So let's go to the 4-hour chart to pick out our area. We have to look for our entries. So we expect price to break out of this high. So once price take out this high, we expect a retest of that level. Then we'll start to look at for possible buying opportunity for the USDJPY to this level, because we see have a higher high at this level and a lower high. So we need price to close above this high. If price can close above this high tonight, we'll see a retest of this level, then we'll see further buy for the USDJPY. So if you find this analysis helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and weekly forex analysis and also midweek forex analysis. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you.